Ken, what up, brother? Welcome in. Welcome in, welcome in. Rating's going great, brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How is it going out there? How is it going? Let's go. Can we pass this prop or what? Can we pass the prop? Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing well. What's up, brother? What's up, Ken? We're well into sessions today, man. We've had 3 sessions already, or 2 sessions. Up about $500 per account. We have a real possibility to pass the prop today. Account balance is sitting at 52,276. You need about $750. 750. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, and let's get 150K in funding. Let's do it. Then let's get 3 more immediately. Let's go. Grading pretty good this week, man. Not too bad. Few mistakes, but not too bad overall. Not too bad overall, man. Their performance today so far? Just look at the chart. Use the numbers, man. So this is per account. We look since we started. When did we start this? Like a week ago? Not even 2 weeks. This is our balance per account since we started this. Craftsman, what's up, brother? Welcome in, welcome in. Not yet. Close though. This is per account. Not bad. You know, it's good because like I'm trading this like I would normally trade, right? Like this is how I normally trade the futures. So, you know, I haven't really been fucking around that much at all, you know? I fucked around once. Besides that, I really have not. We could pass it today. We may pass today. Account balance is at 52,276. So we need about $800, $750. Let's go, boys. Let's get 150K in funding. And then let's do it all again and get another 3 accounts. We're taking it all back. We're taking it all home. We're getting it all, man. We're gonna get it all back. I drained my accounts to buy villas. We're gonna get it all back now. That's it. That's it, boys. We're gonna get it all back now. Jesus Christ, I can't type today, man. Just type in C. That's all you need to do. How are you guys doing? Everybody good out there? I hope everybody's good. Anything in the old crypto news? Let's get it, boys. We're gonna get it all back now. We're gonna get it all fucking back. All of it. And more. Kind of interesting, the big move from the Mt. Gox wallets. Kind of interesting. I just wanted to go to Bitcoin to go to 70K already. Like, just go to 70K and then we can just continue on. You know what I mean? Fucking around here for so long. Did any of you guys take that Bitcoin short? I did put it out. I did put it out on the Discord. You got the economic calendar. Nothing tons today, but honestly, yesterday we had something at, like, you know, at 10 a.m. Maybe it was this that came. I don't know. But it's saying on my thing here, it's saying it's not very important. Moderate, you know. Tomorrow's gonna be a huge day. The non-farm payrolls, massive. First Friday, massive. Gonna be a huge day. Non-farm, no farmers involved. Everybody else, just not the farmers. Anyway, let's get into the charts. You're 69th thanks to BDP? What do you mean? We're gonna get it all back now, boys. We're gonna get it all fucking back. Ken wanted me to look at this, yeah? What do we got here, Ken? What do you got for us here, man? Something on base? No, that link didn't work. Oh yeah, it did. Sorry. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, you got the Trump? What is this? Is this the real Trump coin? This isn't real. This is what Ken gave me. Great. No, this is not the real Trump coin. Shouldn't be fucking around with this shit anyway, man. Haven't you learned your lesson yet? It's fucking disaster. Like, it's just a waste of time, man. Just learn how to trade. You know, just not fucking around with this bullshit. Big waste of time, really. All right, man, we got the New York Open. You guys see the new timer up there? We got the timer in the corner. New York Open, 1:15. Let's go. Non-farm, boys. The non-farm payrolls. Yeah, boys. Oh shit, yeah. Let's go. I can feel it. I can feel it, man. It's gonna happen today. Maybe. And Q basically at a level right now. Oh god. They're at a pre-market level. Oh god, it's pre-market. Can go over some of my trading. I'm on the that I did today during the day. What do we trade today? So we traded the pound. I should have held this a little bit longer than I did. So this is the opening 5 minutes here. You guys can't see it because it's behind my picture, my video. This is the opening 5 minutes here. Yeah, right here. Opening 5. So it lost it. Reachieved. Once it reachieved, I wasn't very interested in a position for a short yet. They tried to gain the top, did not. I actually took trades from here and exited before they hit the top of the range, of the opening range. So I took trades here and exited. I think here I exited. And then I took another trade here and exited at the bottom of the range. That was all the trading that happened for London. And then for Asia, what did I trade for Asia? Can't remember. Maybe it was this. Look at this move on Euro. Holy shit. Wow. I was looking at this in London too. Wow, look at this move on Euro. What the fuck's going on Euro? I don't think I'm gonna be there's nothing really else going on. I'm just gonna watch the Euro here. It's going crazy. Move. You see, this is the opening range too. Like this works, man. Yeah, I did tweet for today. I believe so. Yeah, 31 minutes ago. Yeah, tweet happened today for sure. 30 minutes ago. Weird. I don't know why. Definitely tweeted about it. It's right here. 31 minutes ago. I also got this up too. So I got my, when I take a trade, we're going to be putting the gross profits right on the screen. This needs to change actually. Bit off. There we go. I know you guys like to see the gross profits, so we'll put it right on the screen when we do take trades. All three accounts. ES pushing to the lows. And Q pushing to the lows too. I do like longs today. We should kind of break down the charts a little bit here, yeah? They're kind of broken already. Move this up a bit. The absolute bottom, but they're already in a range to buy it. Did anybody take this short? Like this was a banger short. I put it out in the Discord. No one listens to me. NQ looks the best out of all these. NQ looks the best out of all these. I didn't look at the Dow Jones yet. Oh, YM. Let's check YM here. What's going on with YM here? YM looks a bit dumpy. I mean, they could pump it from here, but kind of looks a little bit dumpy. I'd like to see a continuation down on YM first. Let's look at Russell. Yeah, honestly, like this kind of looks like a continuation down on these, man. They did take the liquidity though. Yeah, they did take the liquidity and they did gain that a little bit, so kind of looks like a move back up. What a move on Euro, man. Holy shit. Crazy, man. $500 per contract. Wow. Breakout. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Hey, man, we got New York open in about an hour. Pretty stoked for today, man. Today could be the day. I think it's the day. I think it's the day today. We have bias longs going into this. Bias to the long side. Bias to the longs. You today was so hot here in Bali. Holy shit, man. I was in the pool like 10 times today. That's all I did was just go in the pool and then come out, and then go in the pool and come out. One thing is, it's hot. Let's get it, BDP. Welcome in, brother. Last day of the week. But tomorrow, non-farm payrolls, buddy. Be a crazy day. So crazy. I don't know how it works with these accounts if I passed, if I can. I'm sure there'll be a day down or something like that. A day or two. But yeah, let's get me past, man. Bias longs. Depends what happens at open. Like always. Bias longs. You see this move that's happening on Euro right now? Holy shit. What a move. I could have passed just right here. $600 per account or $600 per contract. Look. Yacht racing. Well, la-ti-da. Yacht racing. That's great. Yeah, it's all good, man. Sometimes it's better just not even to trade those days, really, just because it's the volatility is so fucking crazy. You end up just getting in more trouble than it's worth. Yeah. Fridays are statistically your worst day. Yeah. Usually I think Fridays are rough because a lot of times they do V bottom Friday, right? So like a lot of times they V bottom it. So you end up getting fucking, you know, you're taking trades on the dump and getting stopped out. And if you miss the recovery, then you're screwed. Yeah, I trade though. All my trades are happening in the first, 15 minutes of play. After that, it's basically I'm just not trading. I don't know if I'm going to continue to trade Asia. The volatility is so low, man. Like it's almost not worth it. Maybe just for like just one trade and then that's it. NQ actually looks pretty good. Like right, it's getting right. It hit the top of the area already, right? This is the top of it. Probably be trading ES today again.
We had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.
Okay, man, I'm gonna just have a cigarette and then I'll be back. I'll leave it on the regular markets here for you guys. Got New York open 57 minutes. Let's get it, folks, man. I can feel it today. I can feel it. Let's go. All right, boys, I'm back. I'm back. Nice bounce. Nice bounce on NQ. First spot. Honestly think it might go a little lower before it goes. Hope you guys are all doing well, man. Let's fucking get it. Let's fucking get it. Yes, bouncing a 5-minute swing. Yes, gaining the 5 too. Gaining the 5 here, bouncing a 5-minute swing. No, I think NQ is going to test the bottom of this though. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We got the P&L too on the go. So I can show it when I enter trades. We'll put it up. Kind of slow. I don't know what's wrong with my Steam Deck. My whole system, I think I just need a new computer. Everything's just slow and sluggish, man. Just overloading this little laptop. Got so much shit going on through it. Yes, it's going to be an interesting day, folks. Let's get it. We are going to be favoring longs. Bias long. For sure. Check in on that really kept pumping, eh? Wait the move. Bitcoin shorts playing out perfectly. Should have took that. I saw that when it happened. This area looks kind of interesting down here for Bitcoin. Kind of tested, but I'm sure there'll be a smaller time frame in here that's not tested. It's kind of the next thing to be looking at. This area, right? All right, man. You guys want to look at any charts or anything? We got we got 39 minutes here. Nifty, always, yeah. Didn't quite get to the level, but got pretty close. The short area. Pretty decent areas for shorts, right? They do gain it. They'll most likely reject that. There's big liquidity in here. Finally looks good to go almost. Still like this level down here a little bit more. But they did get pretty close, right? So if they take the liquidity here, you want to see them hold this, right? So you want to see them hold here. If they do, then it's probably the start of a new leg. If not, then it's probably down here. And hold, let's say hold this. I mean, hold this on a 4-hour close, right? So even if they go like this and close it up here, they have 4-hour closes up here, then it's that's pretty good for continuation higher. I would imagine they would go test this probably. Yeah, this. So if they have, if they take the liquidity, come back down, hold this on a 4-hour level, I would imagine they would go up here. Weeklies, sure. Yeah, it's the same. These lines are weekly lines, right? So nothing really changed on the weekly. These are lining up with weekly levels too, right? This is lining up with this bottom of this weekly move, right? Made this. So, you know, if they go here, it's a pretty good guess they're gonna do this and test this proper. Something like that. This could be the low though. You know, you never know. I'm sure they gave an entry, you know? Ooh, not really, yeah. Yeah, a bit dirty. Usually when you see something a bit dirty, like that's, you know, could be the low. Should be taking trades here regardless. If they do come back down, this is a good level to be taking trades. Let's just look at the monthly here for a second. Same kind of thing or what? Yeah, didn't quite get there, you know. This is the area to hold though, so you know they could go back up from here. That level's also a weekly, also a monthly. Imagine this holds. It's a pretty big. This is a pretty big level for the Nifty. I would imagine it holds. This area, be it where it did or a little bit lower. Damn it, man. Why do they make it so difficult? Oh my god. I don't know what that is, man. You know? Here we go. Finally. Finally, man. Finally. This monthly is tested. This was an untested weekly and they took the liquidity. This is a pretty good area for them to hold. Because this is an untested weekly in here. And they took the liquidity out from underneath, so it's a pretty good area for them to hold. You really don't want to see them slide much further down, right? Because all this is tested already on the weekly level. If you want to be safe, you just wait for them to gain the daily here. If you want to be a little bit more risk high, you wait for them to gain the 4 hour significantly first. So it's kind of the plan there. Closes above here. After they get above there, hold this, then hold this, and then off to the races. Because this is such a big level to hold, I wouldn't take any PTs until up here. And then obviously here. Yeah, for stocks, you know, this is a stock, yeah? Yeah, I would wait for the daily. Best to wait for the daily for sure. No worries, brother. That looks like a good one though, really. Good for like long-term holding. You know, just pack some money in there and forget about it for a year. Right, boys, market open, 31 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes about. Time's not exact, but what are you gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna work on that too, so I can get that on a button. I don't know what happens at the end of this timer. It'll still say New York Open. I try to make the stream look as good as I can for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. Yeah, let's get it, man. Just waiting for the open. Maybe I'm gonna start streaming a little bit later because I just end up sitting here for too long, you know. Let's just pass the prop thing. That's it, man. That's all I want to do. It's just pass it, man, so I can move along with my life. It's funny, when I streamed this afternoon, when I streamed the London session there, I didn't even realize that you guys were chatting in the chat. So stupid, man. In the Discord chat. That was the first time that I even used Discord chat ever. It's pretty funny. I see the messages, all the messages, like, you know, 4 hours later. Yeah, I know, PDP. It's so stupid though, man. I never even used the Discord chat, that function, before, ever. I never even saw that screen. I was like, wait a minute, there's like a fucking whole chat here. Usually just use Discord for voice, yeah? Yeah, I got a haircut, man. Thanks for asking. Thanks for noticing, bro. You know, haircuts, they're so cheap in Bali. I get a haircut like once every week and a half, basically. Yeah, see? I'm not the only one. BDP didn't even know either. It looks good. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. I'm actually kind of lazy. I used to go like once a week to get my haircut because it costs like $2. It got even less in US. Yeah, in US it costs about $2. Great. Let's get a. Can we get a guy to come over to the house? Same in India, $2. Yeah, so cheap, man. Back home it's like 20. You know, and that's at the cheap place. Even like the shitty places here do like really good jobs on haircuts. It's pretty cool. It's surprising. Everybody here has like always done up haircut. Yeah, BDP, did you take longs already? ES gained the 5, and they're at the level basically. Like to wait for market open, but this is already spot to be taking longs. Russell, I like one more move down. Let's have a look at BDPs. Are you already in for one? NQ, you have some bit lower, yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Might trade NQ today. Maybe 5 minis? Yeah. I think they're gonna dunk this before they blast it. Regardless, I'm waiting for the open. Waiting for the open and I'm trading the ES. Who am I kidding? I should have put this up on the screen here for you guys to see BDP's entries. This is BDP's entry. So he's in for one most likely already. Yeah. And then 2 more a little bit lower. We have it out. I have it outlined on the screen already. Right here, right? On MQ. It's the top of the first touch on the top one. And then this is the bottom of the range. So this is the area to be looking. The area to be hunting. Definitely biased to the long side, right? NQ is an hourly. Yeah. This back here. I mean, it's all this basically the same range, right? This. I still think we're gonna see some Dunkaroos and then blast off. You know how they do it. They never give you a really good solid entry. They never let you have your cake and eat it too. Like ES did this almost perfectly. To this. Almost perfectly. And then they gain the 5 also. So they're giving you a nice 5-minute entry also. You know, a nice gain the 5 here on ES, gain the 5 right here, right? And retest, perfect retest. You know, it's all too perfect for me, man. I don't believe it. it's all too perfect, man. I don't buy it. You know, sure, guys, this is it. I don't know, man. Yeah, I was gonna get that button. Going. Good. Good. Show transition, fade. High transition, fade. Show transition, fade. Fade. High transition, fade. Show transition, fade. Show transition, fade. The transition, fade. All right. How's that? How's that look? Yeah, works good. Cool. All right, man. 14 minutes. 14 minutes until the open. Let's get fucking situated and get ready. Strap in, boys. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, man. 12 minutes to go. 10 minutes. So we need to make 800, around 800 bucks to pass these props. That's where we're at. The account, I don't know if you guys can see that the account here is at 52,300 almost. Performance here. This is the last since I started. So we're close, you know, we're close. Could happen today. Today could be a big day, so could happen today. Bit of selling in the futures here, the ES and Q. I don't buy this level yet. I'm not. I don't buy it. I think we're gonna sweep the local lows at least first. We'll have bias to the upside though for sure. Pretty big move to if we make new, you know, if they could continue this trend up, and this is a huge move. 100 points in the ES. It's tons. It's like 350 points in NQ. It's massive. What do you guys think? You guys think it's a pass prop today or what? About 5 minutes left. We'll be waiting for the first 5 minutes as always. Try to let the market sort itself out, which direction it's going to go. Yeah, me too. Cautiously bullish. Could be a huge move if it is. All right, boys. 3 minutes. Another move to the lows here for ES and NQ. If we do start falling apart, ES probably going to 57.25. Around there somewhere. Maybe a little bit before it. 57.30. Something like that. Top side on ES is it should be targeting a 4-hour sweep at this point. Above 58.84. I'll be out well before then, but if you are playing longer term plays, that would be the area we're trying to shoot for here. All right, 30 seconds left. Another move to the lows here for ES and NQ. All right, here's the open, boys. Good luck. And Q moving. This might be pushed to fill. ES holding. And Q, another push to the bottom. This is the buy zone basically for NQ. ES held the range. Another push down NQ. More selling. Bottom level now NQ. This is the last area to hold basically. This is the last target or last entry. ES takes out the lows. Or selling. Op's so good here on NQ. I should just take the trade, man. It's still a pretty wide stop. $100 stop each contract. Gonna trade my plan. Trade my plan, man. Pretty good reaction on NQ. Let's see if they can sustain it. All right, that's the first 5-minute candle for ES. Let's have a look at it. Pushing below. I'm favoring the upside, right? So a small 5-minute close beneath is not gonna cut it for me. Getting really deep in it now for NQ. Might take out the lows. A pretty strong move off the bottom here. And you just really want to see this ES close inside, you know what I mean? They close inside, I'm probably going to take longs and I'll just put stops here. Jesus Christ. I lost the internet. Sorry about that, boys. Internet dropped. And we're back. Oh my god. I need to close down this too. My god. What a disaster. All when I'm supposed to be taking a trade. Unbelievable. Supposed to be getting long right now. Come on, man. You know? This is ridiculous, man, really. Now the quant tower's frozen. Just starting now. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Connecting to rhythmic. Oh my god, let's go. Unbelievable. What happened 30 seconds ago? The candle closed. Fuck. It says rhythmic connected, man. Like, what the fuck, dude? Can you believe this, man? It says rhythmic connected, but no data. Like, unbelievable, dude. The chart I need didn't even pop up. You know, God damn it, man. Holy shit, dude. Get me in here with some longs, man, already. I'm in 10 longs. Go. Holy shit. That's bullshit. The chart wasn't even there. Oh my God. Better get a stop in here. Might as well just put the stop at the bottom at this point with this entry. Holy shit. Maybe that saved me though. Because I honestly would have entered up here. I would have entered here. Look at these charts still not even popping up, you know? Reload, dude. I never had such difficulty trading before. Refresh, man, refresh. Refresh. Honestly, dude. I didn't even know. I can't even get the goddamn charts up, you know? I think I need to shut this down, shut this program down again and open it back up. Really? It's like half the... Like, why didn't this thing load, you know? Fuck. And then I got these fucking assholes. Can only bring up ES. Like I can't bring up NQ for some reason, you know? I need to shut this program down and restart it. Let's continue closing the fucking application. You can't make this shit up, boys. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. All right, are we still alive in a trade? Holy fuck. Real close to getting stopped. What a nightmare that was. The full-on nightmare situation. All right, they're getting back to the opening level. Let's see if they can get back inside the opening range here. This is the 15-minute range now. So kind of expect to move at least to the top of the 15-minute range, at least, right? This failure on the 1 minute is not very convincing. You know what I mean? Like they're buying it back up right away. This is kind of important level here. 57, 64, 50. I need to get it back above that. Gaining on the 1 minute. Yes. Oh, I forgot to put the P&L on the screen. Another push. Getting back inside that opening range of the 5 minutes is pretty strong. Yeah, probably a push to the top. I'm probably going to take a couple off here. Market sell 2, 4. Moving the stop just to the lows. I'm just gonna leave the stop where it is, man. It's fine. So this is basically free trade now. If I get stopped out, it's fine. It's the, you know, I'll go. What I just took off will cover the stop. A bad 650 on the day per account. Let's go, boys. Really big move on NQ. Nice trade, BDP. I'm gonna take one more off here. At top of the range, top of the open. All right, 5 left. What's the account at? Oh my God, I only need like $100. Getting ready to flatten. Damn it. Close to passing, boys. Really close. If we make new, if we take out the London, this London session stuff, for sure passing 100%. Looks pretty good for higher though, honestly. Really, when my computer crashed there, that honestly helped me out because I got a better entry. I would have entered here. I would have entered right here. You know what I mean? So I ended up getting a better entry. Good times. So really just looking for the, you know, them to challenge the highs here. That will be enough for me. Could even re-add a couple more in right now. Two more added back in. Yeah, I don't like how we didn't gain there either, but I do like how we're holding the opening range. In a minute, Craftsman. Decent hold again on the 5-minute opening range. Pretty big rejection though off the 15-minute range high. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Uh-oh. This isn't looking the best. I hope my computer crashes again. Oh my god. What is going on with the internet here, dude? Really, I don't know what's going on with the internet here, man. Getting dropped internet. It's the worst, man. You know, I pay for high quality internet here and I'm still getting shit internet. God damn it. So this is starting to look really not good on ES anyway. See if they can hold it out. It sucks, man. If I would have just flattened everything, I would have been, you know, really close to just passing. Not a huge deal though. Another move back inside the opening 5-minute range for ES. Good move on ES here. Oh no, I'm losing the internet again. Look at these. Look at this lag, man. Unbelievable. How can I trade like this, you know? Your platform's also lagging. It's fucking brutal, man. Must be all the people buying. Must be a good area to buy. I'm just going to put limit orders here. Because if we go there, for sure, we're past. Even here would probably be past. Sure, even here will be past. Like if we just make new highs. Yeah, I need 300 more. Yeah. Come on, boys. Just give it to me. Yeah, that's basically what it is. Oh, it filled. I don't know how. I passed. It just automatically closed all my positions when I passed. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Cool. So buy 3 more accounts. Is that how we do this, or how does this work? You just keep buying 3 more? I think how we should do this is get 1 paycheck and then use that paycheck to buy 3 more, get those up to funding, get 1 paycheck from that account, from those 3, then get 3 more and just keep going that way. So you always have one that's like kind of like a buffer, you know what I mean? In case you fuck it up somehow. You'll at least have one, you know. You'll at least already have had a payout, so you'll have a buffer in there already. Let's go, boys. We did it. We did it. You know, I traded this very, very similar to how I would normally trade the futures. So I wanted to do that just so just to get back in the swing of things a little bit, you know what I mean? Like I have not traded futures for a while, so like I almost wanted to practice a little bit before just jumping right into to 50k of funded accounts. Before I bought these villas, I was trading a 100k account. So like I know how to trade big accounts, and I've traded big accounts before. I've also been funded at Top Step before for 50k account. I've never done 3 at once, but we can. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, boys. Pretty good day to end the day. $1,200 per account, man. Let's go. Let's go. Do I get an email or something? Do they send me something? No, nothing in here. Maybe I have to go into my account. Apex funding. Only went in there one time ever. Nice trade. Nice trade, BDP. It worked out perfect, you know what I mean? I would have been out with basically everything here, and maybe just leave one runner if I had like a real account that I was trying for. Yeah, this isn't updated yet. on here. This is from yesterday. Yeah. Funded, baby. Thank you, BDP. Look at this move, man. Wow. Look at this move. All this while we were getting, you know, shellacked by the fucking internet, you know what I mean? Like just having internet problems all over the place, you know? It's so ridiculous. You know, I was recording that too, like to put out, to make content with it, but I guess not. All the recordings are shit now because they're all have internet problems all over the place. I'm gonna have to call the internet company and just tell them, what the fuck, man, I cannot have it like this, you know? Coincidence. Yeah, no doubt. Eh? They were trying to fuck me. I wouldn't have it. Dude, I logged back in and I saw where the chart was. I just hit smash 10 contracts immediately. But really, I got a better entry. Like I would have. So I saw this. So this is how I play this, right? We had a 5 minute opening break, and then we broke down and closed the 5 minute above. It's a very strong move, right? So I would have took a trade here, like at the beginning of this candle, and I with the potential of even getting stopped out, because like normally you would just put your stop at the bottom, but. BDP killing it today. I'm okay. Craftsman, what did you want me to look at? You said you wanted me to look at something. We passed, boys. We fucking did it. Let's go. Oh, you found it. It was the FAG. Oh, okay, yeah. I can show you. Sorry, it was just in the middle of all that, right? It's just called fair value gap. What a move, man! What a move! Yeah, I guess they automatically close the account, or they automatically close all your trades when you hit 53. I just want to cut this for Mike and send it to him. I'm gonna make it real big so he can see, because he has terrible eyes. Oh, just cut that again. Oh, man. Yeah, man. I think there's some kind of rule with averaging down. I need to read over the rules. So if there's an average down rule, I probably just do one mini. But I'm gonna trade it the exact same way that you see here. Seven, 8 with ES. Yeah, maybe that. But you know, 7, 8, 10. That's not that far off, right? I figured it would be around 10. Mike said he's just trading one mini. I think there is an average down rule. Like you're not allowed to average down, so I need to check that out first. If you're not allowed to average down, it's probably better that I don't trade, you know, micros, because I'll be you know, I always average down all the time. What if you want to do a re-add? Can you average up? I need to check out the rules and stipulations, or whatever you're allowed to do. Let's go. Funded. Yeah, I still have a personal account, but it's hard to trade both, you know, on futures. I have a personal account for futures too. It still has some money in it, but it's hard to trade both. Maybe I can get this copy trader working for that too, and getting it going on that. $25.66. Yeah, that's above this gap here. Move this down a bit. 59. Yeah, hopefully your runner gets hit. I don't want to trade just one mini, because I want to leave. Like when I trade normally, I will leave runners a lot, right? Even if it's just one runner, especially on futures. Yeah, I always usually leave runners. I on my personal account, I never had to worry about being closed by the end of the day. So, and then when I was doing Top Step, I didn't really leave runners too much. You have to worry about they have a consistency rule at Apex too, is 30%. So you really can't make too much, man. You might get in trouble. Not trouble, but like you get put on probation, denied payout. We be funded, boys. Let's get it. Can even get the goddamn correct goddamn things on the screen. God damn it. It's just beautiful, man. No, 20 accounts is going to be nuts. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it live on screen. I'm going to do it live on stream. 20 accounts, 20 50K accounts. That's the goal. I'll literally just trade it the exact same way that we've been trading for the last week and a half. This is pretty funny right now. It's not like I need the money, right? So like I can just keep reinvesting any money that I'm making from there. Zero to 20K days, yeah. Hopefully the internet will keep up. Like I was recording all this shit today. Now it's all garbage shit, right? Because it's fucking, you know, the internet crashed out 3 times, right, during the thing, and I didn't restart the things. But yeah, I even made like a nice show my gross P&L on the screen there, you know. Put it up. Big numbers, right? The viewers like the big numbers, right? Stupid. I figured that's what gets people in here, right? People see someone trading with just like a ton of accounts and big numbers. Everything's tested until that zone that you mentioned there, BDP, so it looks good to go until there. But do you really want to give back? It could come all the way back to 360, right? You really want to give back 100 points? We did it, boys. We're fucking funded, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's look at the performance. Let's go. Mike, let's go. We did it. Today's performance, we made it $1,300. Let's go. Let's go, man. Yeah, I'm buying 3 more. Is it, Mike? That's the plan. My plan is I want to get 20. I gotta have me 20 accounts. I need to have 20, but I want to do it slowly. I want to do like 3 and then get a payout from the 3 and then start the new 3 on eval. Look at this move, man, on fucking ES and NQ. Holy shit. Did you take these trades? Just do the next 3 now. I don't know, man. I want to see how this works. I'll buy the next 3 right now because they have a deal on. I'll buy the next 3 right now. I was thinking is buy 7 and then just slowly incorporate them in. Like they're so cheap right now. I should buy like fucking 20 right now. Do they have these sales like all the time? Not always this good. Yeah. Yeah, really great day, man. Honestly, dude. It's been a good week, man. I'm stoked. I'm trading futures again, man. Twice a year, they're better at 90%. I mean, 80, 90%. It's all the same, not really. Black Friday and another day. Cool. Cool. I'll, yeah. So, yeah, it's not that big of a difference. Maybe I'll do what you said, Mike, is just get 7 more now and then work on getting those up. Wow, that's a good deal. So, Apex, you're not allowed to average down, yeah? Is that a thing? Cannot average down? I have to read through the rules before I start going through this. Yeah, you cannot average down. No, you can average down. You can DCA. They took that rule away. That's fucking awesome, man. That's way better, dude. No, you can. Oh, that's great. I was worried about that, man, because like I DCA lots. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I'd have to kind of change the way I trade a little bit. There's no rule at all on DCA. Yeah, I'll definitely check before I start getting into it. Yeah, man, stoked. 150K in funding. Let's go. Let's start making some fucking money, boys. Yeah, it's all good. I kind of almost want to build up a buffer in there so I don't blow them up, you know? Like, did you build up a buffer in yours? So like there was like a few grand in there or something? So not... That's part of the rule now. Oh, okay. Kind of makes sense. Okay. It's what I kind of was going to do anyway. But yeah, good. It's not an issue. Shouldn't be an issue. So you need to get it up to 55K, and then anything after that you can start requesting payouts. Okay, 55, then make 2K per payout. Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. And 30% consistency. The way I trade, man, the futures is not. Yeah, it's kind of a bit scalpy, right? So, and I'm taking profits quickly on the 5-minute charts, right? So it's not I shouldn't have a problem with the consistency rule at all, I don't think. If you look back through my trades that I did, like, you know, there's not look, there's like a ton of trades in here, right? Like there's a whole bunch of different ones. You know, really lots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stops I took in the 5 with this. 5 stops I took in the last week and a half. Last week. Gotta be careful not to make too much. Yeah. This week I've been making, you know, you can see it's like the average was probably around 500 a day on like to pass this thing. And I tried to trade this like just really like how I would normally trade, right? Because honestly, I've been a little out of practice in especially in futures trading too. Like I haven't been trading futures at all. So I traded some CFDs for a bit, but not like the futures, normal futures. So I kind of wanted to just go through this and like just practice a little bit before I started doing it with real money. Oh my god. Wow. That's crazy. My whole system fucking crashed out today during the entry. Like I was about to enter the position and literally the internet died or whatever. Had to shut the shit down. Turn it all back on. I ended up getting a better entry though, so it was good. BDP was saying his system was lagging too today during like the crazy pump. Thinkorswim, I think he uses. We passed, baby. We did it. We did it. Yeah, I already checked it. They're not even recognizing it yet on their like in my online account. It still has yesterday's data, so I'm sure they don't check it out until the end or tomorrow. Yeah, it's no worries. I'll pay for those immediately, and then I guess by tomorrow I can start trading right away. They do their booking at end of day. And I get an email. Okay, cool. Yeah, I checked my email right away and I was like, they didn't send me anything. What the fuck? Like change in like the connectivity and like rhythmic and stuff. It's a good time to get more evals. Like it's always a good time to get more evals. Girl, get it all figured out. I see what you mean. Yeah, it makes sense. I get it. Let's just get 20 accounts, bro. Am I really going to be trading 20 fucking futures accounts? Mike. Remember when I came into your channel, brother? Remember when I came into your channel and I was trading triangles? Really? Really funny, man. Yeah, it's true. I kind of put my own spin on entries. I don't do them exactly like dope. I like to wait for it. I'm just a little bit of a stickler for like getting a little bit more confirmation. You know what I mean? Instead of just buying untested levels. Like I like untested levels for sure. Those are the areas where I want to enter. I like to wait for more confirmation, you know what I mean? But then just buying it. Like when I first started trading, that's how I lost a lot of money, right? It's just like just randomly buying levels, you know, without waiting, waiting a little bit for confirmation. Yeah, that's nuts. I couldn't trade like that. Yeah, it's crazy. I like to play with the opening break a little bit, like the opening range. The opening range when you're in New York is like, and in London too, is that they're just pretty good, you know what I mean? Like they tell a lot to the story, you know, what's going on. Like you can, like for sure, ES here when we came down to the bottom. Yeah, obviously this is an untested level here for them to hold, right? So you know, I wanted to get long. This is the first 5-minute candle of the range. It dipped below the 5-minute, but then it closed above. So when you know, that's kind of just a little confirmation that, you know, oh, they're trying to hold it here, you know. I use things like that. I like the opening range for confirmation of which direction. I'm gonna get 7 or 17. I don't know, brother, man. Like let me just fucking pump the brakes here. Relax for a minute. I don't want to do 10 at once, but I might link another 3. I don't know how much is 17. Really gonna get fucking 20 fucking futures accounts, man? Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get 7, but I think I only want to link 3 of them and just leave the rest like on the back burners for a bit. You can buy them and just leave them there, yeah. Like leave them on your account. No, all at once. Oh god. What's up, Melons? We passed, brother. Apex doesn't want you to do that. They just want you to just buy 17 and trade 17. I am stoked, man. Every trade I took during the eval, I market smashed. Literally every single one. Every single trade was a market smash. So I imagine it would have, I wouldn't have to worry too much about. Oh, I guess you gotta pay attention to liquidity. Oh, I see. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah. You got 20 accounts going in with 10 micro contracts each. That would be a lot all hitting the market at the same time. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. No, I totally understand what you mean. Yeah, I may do that. I was basically just taking like it's not. I would like to leave a runner. You know what I mean? Like I like to leave runners. Too minis is too much. You don't need runners with minis. Just take the first swing, and then that's it. That's it for the day. Hit the beach. I don't know. For what I could see, the having too minis would have been too much. Because I still take, like, you know, what was my stop today? My stop today, Mike, was on ES was 65. 15 points. 2 is a lot with a 15-point stop. I'm still a little loosey-goosey with stops. Need tighter, I know. Yeah, I don't. That's not how I trade, though. I mean, see, sometimes when there's like a, you know, an hourly failure to gain and it's right at the fucking tit spot, sure. You know what I mean? But a lot of times my stops are a little bit wider, right? Yeah. I mean, if you're making, I was trading 10 contracts, so like, you know, that's basically like one mini. And just play progression, I guess, you know. Take it out, put it back in, you know. Yeah, I get it. probably what I'll do then is just one mini contract. Wow, I'm trading the minis now. Great. One mini contract, and like just the way I trade is usually just in the first, you know, the first hour of the day, or the first, first hour and a half of the day. So just continue that and just get out of my trades by the end of the 1 hour, or end of 1.5 hours. I mean, if you're making money hand over fist, I guess it doesn't really matter having a runner or not. Yeah, it's true. Four points. Wow. Not much. Yeah, I was looking at NQ, man. It was just I couldn't find a spot. Like today was okay to take trades along the bottom. Wasn't too bad for stops. Still a little rough though, you know what I mean? Like where I would want to enter would be at like 52. Yeah, still quite a big stop. RTY gang. Yeah. ES has been pretty good. I traded ES basically the whole time. Well, that's gonna be the stream for today. We did it, boys. We fucking did it. We're gonna send you over to Mike's stream. As always. Big shout out to Mike. I'd be nowhere without that guy. All right, everybody on Twitch, we're going over to Mike's channel. Thank you guys all for stopping in, man. I really appreciate all of you, man. Thanks for coming in, and we fucking did it, man. We fucking did it. It's just the beginning, man. I'm telling you guys, it's just the beginning. See you later, BDP. Have a good time yacht racing. Take it easy, brother. All right, we'll see you at Mike's. Peace.
No.
Not right now. I'm gonna have another beer. Wait for it to get warmer. Oh, thank you for the raid, Jay. Welcome, people. Big congratulations to Jay for passing 350k Apex evals today. Proud of my young man. He's not that young. Younger than me, though, so I can call him a young man. Yeah, my Nancy girl got another eval on Apex. I'm proud of her. She's already pumping. Nice, Goose Daddy. I'm glad it worked out for you. Sometimes you get lucky with terrible entries and you get rewarded. Yeah, that's good, man. Did you get anything else, Nancy, when I was going? You take this short?
I'm in a short right now, yeah.
Oh, good girl. Oh,
I mentioned it. I mentioned the short.
Oh, I was muted.
Katie! Man.
Whoa. Who's daddy? Thank you, dude. That was very kind of you. Good job. Haven't had a gifted sub in a long time. Thank you, thank you. Now, who's daddy? What you should do is take me to the store so I don't have to walk. It would be really nice of you if you could do that.